Welcome to Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Today we have a rare Remington Rand Model 1 typewriter. This is a manual typewriter, and yes, this is pre-computer, where you have to hit this button to project the letters to hit the ribbon that has ink and to press against the paper and the letter. And I'm sure you know that already. I'm just pretty much discussing this thing really quickly as a quick video to this typewriter. This typewriter is in nice shape physically. Everything looks good. The only thing that I'm having issues with on this thing is the fact that it won't grab onto the paper. As you can see, it just won't grab onto the paper even though I set it. And I don't know how to deal with this issue, so you can see what you may have to deal with if you're looking at this typewriter, this specific typewriter here. Anyway, again, it seems like everything seems to work pretty good. Obviously, this ribbon is dry, so I'm not getting a dark color on the typewriter, but you can see the fact that it is functioning in that way where it's hitting the ribbon against the paper. And here is a quick look at that. All right, and it's fairly clean inside. This might need some tuning by someone who restores this type of item, but I'll just go through and quickly show you what this looks like. Here's the like the serial number. And this typewriter is complete with the case. So here's the case here. And it does move. All the letters are projecting pretty smoothly. Here's the shift. Again, the only thing that it's doing is it's not grabbing the paper to bring it up like what normally happens. But otherwise, it's in pretty nice shape. So there you go. This is the Remington Rand Model 1 typewriter from the 1930s. All right, if you guys like these type of videos, please hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot, and I will see you on the next video.